If you're too kind, they'll drain you fast. If you're too ruthless, you'll rot inside.
Stoicism builds endurance. Machiavelli builds power. Alone, each one makes you lose badly, eventually.
You need a switch. Peace inside, power outside. Become the Stoic Prince today, deliberately.
You think you're calm, then anger hijacks you mid-pressure and ruins your leverage completely.
Threat circuits narrow vision, spike cortisol, and make you predictable to predators near B instantly.
Name the emotions silently, exhale slowly, then decide from principle, not heat, ever.
You're insulted publicly. You pause 3 seconds, then answer in one clean sentence only.
You overshare to seem honest, then people weaponize your intentions against you later.
Information is currency. The talkative person pays the highest tax in status.
Ask more questions, reveal less, and let silence force them to show their hand.
What's the budget range?
You confuse stoicism with numbness, so you suppress feelings until they explode suddenly, later.
Suppression rebounds. The body demands release when pressure crosses a hidden threshold, eventually.
Containment, not repression. Feel it privately, then act calmly, deliberately, clinically, on purpose.
You write rage 5 minutes, then send a firm boundary email with 0 drama.
You personalize conflict, turning rivals into villains, and you poison judgment with spite.
Personalization triggers survival mode. Survival mode makes you sloppy, loud, and baitable later.
Depersonalize. Track incentives, patterns, and leverage. Treat it like chess, not war, always.
You log dates, emails, outcomes, no feelings, so reality stays on your side always.
You chase being good, avoid decisive cuts, and become easy to exploit repeatedly, forever.
Groups reward outcomes. Morality becomes optional when resources feel scarce and tense suddenly.
Keep ethics internal. Build power external. Make hard calls early, quietly, consistently, every time.
You remove one toxic performer fast, without speeches, blame, or public humiliation.
You mistake cruelty for strength, copy bullies, and call that confidence in life daily.
Cruelty is emotional discharge. It's insecurity wearing armor and loudness for attention.
Ruthlessness is clinical. Do what's necessary without anger, enjoyment, or unnecessary drama.
You end a bad deal with terms and deadlines, not insults and revenge.
You perform emotions publicly to look authentic. Then opponents map your needs instantly.
Displayed emotion leaks data. It shows where you're needy, afraid, or reactive today.
Neutral face, steady voice, consistent decisions. Let results speak, not tears.
You deliver bad news respectfully, without begging approval or over-explaining anything at all.
You try controlling everything, so uncertainty makes you obsessive, exhausted, and socially clumsy.
Chronic vigilance damages performance. Stressed leaders become suspicious, impulsive, and erratic quickly.
Control process, not outcomes. Save intensity for moments that truly matter.
You set check-in windows, then stop doom-checking messages during negotiations completely, daily.
Adversity hits, and you collapse because your identity is comfort and praise.
Identity fusion makes loss feel like death. Fear forces weak deals quickly under pressure.
Aggressive amor fati, Accept the hit, then convert it into advantage fast, immediately.
You lose a client, pivot the offer, and target a better segment.
You've mastered the internal noise. You can control your pulse now, consistently.
But calm won't save you when a colleague smiles, then steals your promotion behind you.
Welcome to the corporate battlefield, where power hides behind polite language.
You ignore reputation as shallow, so you become invisible, underestimated, disposable everywhere.
Groups allocate resources by signals. Reputation is your trust score and threat level daily.
Curate competence publicly. Stay modest privately. Mask as asset, not identity, ever.
You speak less, but when you speak, decisions move because you're prepared.
You assume fairness protects you, so you wait. And waiting becomes weakness over time.
Institutions move slow, politics moves fast. Delay lets rivals write your story first.
Act early. Frame first. Create options. Make your timeline the official timeline.
You send the first recap. Decisions, owners, dates, so credit sticks to you permanently.
A colleague undermines you quietly, and you confront emotionally, giving them cover publicly.
Emotional confrontation invites denial. You look unstable, and they look innocent.
Document patterns, collect witnesses, and set a trap without malice or rage, quietly.
You let them steal a doomed idea while you deliver the real win.
You talk too much in high-stakes rooms, trying to prove value quickly.
The person who speaks most reveals need. Need signals low leverage instantly.
Speak in headlines. Ask for criteria. Pause. Let them fill the silence.
You say, define success metrics, then stop, forcing clarity and commitment.
You negotiate like a pleaser, accepting bad terms to stay liked.
Approval addiction is a handle. Flattery owns you. Insults steer you.
Detach self-worth. Anchor to data. Ask, propose, and force boundaries calmly.
You counter with numbers, scope, deadlines, no apology, no aggression, no games.
You want revenge fast, so you attack openly and become predictable.
Revenge broadcasts intent. Intent invites counterattack from smarter, quieter opponents.
Choose outcomes over drama. Let consequences harm them. Keep your hands clean.
You escalate through policy with receipts while staying polite and unreactive.
You announce plans too early, and sabotage arrives before momentum exists.
Premature disclosure invites interference. Rivals move faster than approvals and build.
Reveal in phases. Keep core moves private. Announce only after traction.
You build quietly, then unveil when stakeholders already want it badly.
You avoid hard conversations, so small violations become big disrespect over time.
Unpunished violations train escalation. Costless behavior repeats and recruits copycats.
Enforce early, calmly, consistently. No speeches, no threats, no bargaining.
Someone interrupts twice, you name it once, then continue only after respect returns.
You survive the office. Now you enter the public arena,
watched and judged, always.
Social hierarchy rewards signals, punishes naivete, and never explains the rules to you.
Stay calm inside, sharpen the mask outside, and move through crowds unseen.
Hypervisibility scares you, so you shapeshift opinions to please the crowd.
Constant pleasing makes you hollow. Inconsistency destroys trust and invites attacks.
Speak their language without becoming them. Keep values steady, messaging adaptive.
One mistake happens, you correct facts once, then stop feeding the fire.
You expect loyalty by default, so betrayal shocks you into messy reactions.
Self-interest is common. Loyalty is rented and disappears under pressure.
Premeditate treachery, exits, backups, witnesses, documentation before you ever need them.
You version critical files and split access while staying warm and respectful.
You moralize strategy, refusing to learn dark patterns used against you.
Ignorance feels pure, but it leaves you defenseless in competitive environments.
Study to recognize, then block. Boundaries, written follow-ups, escalation paths.
You say, put that in writing, and manipulation collapses instantly.
You try to be loved by everyone, so you tolerate disrespect repeatedly.
Tolerated violations teach escalation. People push until your boundaries finally appear.
Be warm, but enforce costs. Respect must be visible, not requested.
Someone insults you twice, you leave once, politely, and never explain further.
You think hypocrisy is unforgivable, so you refuse virtue camouflage entirely.
Leaders signal mercy publicly, then act decisively when survival demands it.
Appear civil. Act decisive. Keep ethics internal, presentation strategic, outcomes protected.
You communicate compassionately, yet execute the decision cleanly without hesitation.
You chase reputation, so praise controls you and criticism breaks you publicly.
Validation addiction creates a handle others pull with flattery or shame.
Curate the mask, then detach inside. Cheers and boos both bounce off.
You accept applause briefly, then return to craft, unmoved by attention.
In relationships, you become needy, trading dignity for closeness and reassurance.
The one who needs less sets terms. Neediness feels like pressure, not love.
Love fully, stay sovereign, purpose, friends, money, routines outside the relationship.
You don't beg for replies, you live your life, and attraction follows.
You play dread games to control love, and trust dies slowly, painfully.
Fear creates short control, long resentment, and resentment collects interest later.
Set non-negotiables early. Enforce quietly. Be generous, but ready to leave.
A value breaks. You state it once, then exit without drama or pleading.
You start winning. Then hubris whispers, you're above consequences and rules.
Power filters feedback. You stop hearing warnings, then mistakes multiply.
Schedule self-audits. Keep one honest friend. Treat heirs as data, not insults, always.
After a win, review failures first, celebrate briefly, then reset standards.
The Stoic Prince doesn't binge videos. He acts while everyone else hesitates.
Choose one boundary tomorrow. Which trap will you destroy first? Name it in comments below.